Booking an Airbnb used to feel like beating the system. You got a deal, stayed somewhere cool, and skipped the big hotels. Now, Airbnb have changed the rules and hosts are having to raise their prices to keep up. And worse, bad actors have flooded the market, giving the proper professional hosts a bad name. So is it time to ditch short-term rentals altogether, or is there a smarter way to travel? Let's get into it. First, do your research. If a listing looks too good to be true, it probably is. Second, if you're staying more than a few nights, ask for a discount. Proper hosts will often knock something off the top, especially for longer stays. Third, and this is a big one, book direct whenever you can. Most people don't realize it, but loads of properties listed on Airbnb have their own websites. I know this because for the past 10 years, I've coached over 2,000 hosts and property owners and managers, published 2 best-selling books that have sold over 150,000 copies, and last year alone, we generated over $100 million in direct bookings for our clients. And for travelers like you, when you book direct, you cut out the large platform fees. You get better rates, better communication, and you're supporting the actual person running the property, not feeding $1 billion company. At Boostly, we've been banging this drum for years. Booking direct keeps more money in your community. You get a better experience. The host actually knows who you are, and you're not just another booking ID. It's smarter, it's cheaper, and it's better for everyone. If you want a shortcut, there's a free tool called Directo. It scans listings and helps find the direct booking option. I'll drop the link below. It's one of the easiest wins in travel. But if you don't want to use a tool, no problem. Here's an old school way. Next time you're searching for a place to stay on Airbnb, do it on a laptop or a desktop. Find a property you like, right-click the image and save it. Then run a Google image search. If the host has done their homework and listened to my advice, the first thing that will pop up on the search will be a link to their direct booking website. Another little hack. So if you find a listing that you like and it's got a unique name, for example, the Pink Pickle in Austin, pop that straight into Google. Copy it, paste it, put it into Google. If the host's a savvy marketer, their direct booking site will sit right at the top of search. Here's the key. Once you find the direct site, get in touch with the host by email, phone, or chat box that's on there, if they've got one, and ask for a direct booking perk. Because sometimes it's not just about saving money. Sometimes you'll also get the early check-in, late checkout, a welcome basket, or a free upgrade just for booking direct. The benefits are endless. Now you might be thinking, what if the price is cheaper on Airbnb? Here's what you do. You go and book it on Airbnb, then message the host directly and tell them, hey, I would have booked direct, but it was cheaper on Airbnb. You should go and read this book, the Book Direct Playbook by Mark Simpson, and help a host out. A couple of quick travel rules before you go. Always read the most recent reviews. Anything older than 6 months, you might as well be ancient history. Always get travel insurance, because if plans change, you don't want to be left short. And always try and stay with local hosts, family-run guest house, boutique B&Bs, the kind of places where you're greeted with a handshake, not a robot and a PIN code. Listen, Airbnb's not dead, but the spirit of what made it special, you've got to know where to find it now. Book smarter, travel better. And if this has helped you, hit the like button, share it, and help more people save money and travel right.